How to enable options paper trading in TradingView. Can you paper trade options? In this video, I am going to answer a common question. Can you enable options paper trading in TradingView? If you've been looking for an option to practice trading stock options with virtual money, this video will explain what's currently available. Let's start with the most important point. At the moment, TradingView does not offer a built-in feature to paper trade stock options through its paper trading simulator. The paper trading account is designed for supported asset classes such as stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and futures. But standard stock options are not currently supported in the built-in paper trading system. This means you won't find a setting or button to enable options paper trading in your TradingView account. Even if your paper trading account is connected correctly, there is no option to activate simulated options trading because the feature is not currently available. If your goal is to learn options trading, you can still use TradingView to analyze option-related stocks and ETFs, study price action, draw support and resistance levels, and build your trading strategy. Then, if your broker provides an options demo account, you can execute your simulated options trades through that broker's platform while using TradingView for chart analysis. If your broker supports TradingView integration for live trading, keep in mind that this does not automatically enable options paper trading inside TradingView. Options availability depends on your broker and the features they support. TradingView continues to add new features over time, so it's always a good idea to keep your platform updated and check the latest release notes for any future support for options paper trading. Here's a pro tip. If you're new to options, start by learning the basics of call options, put options, strike prices, expiration dates, and risk management before placing any real trades. A strong understanding of these concepts is much more valuable than rushing into live trading. And that's everything you need to know about enabling options paper trading in TradingView. As of now, there is no built-in option to activate simulated options trading. But you can still use TradingView as a powerful charting platform while practicing options through a broker that offers a demo environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.